Next, we're going to jump into what is a proportion. We know what a ratio and an extended ratio is, but we're mostly going to deal with proportions. So a proportion is an equation that states two or more ratios are equal to each other. They have a whole bunch of different vocab words in here, extremes and means. I'm not really going to go into what they are. They're just locations within what our proportion is. You can see a basic proportion right down there. We're going to solve proportions using what we call cross product, which means that we're just going to multiply, for example, like A times D, and that should equal then C times B. You can see that. That's what they have here in the box. So a couple examples, we'll do two of them. We'll look at 3A first, real basic one. To solve the proportion, we're going to cross multiply. So I'm going to take x times -6, which is -6x, and then that should equal 11 times 4, which is 44. We're going to divide by -6, and x is then going to equal -7.3. That would be the first one. The second one, you just need to be careful. You have some distributing going on here. So -4 times 2y plus 5 comes out to -8y minus 20. Notice how I took -4 times both parts. And then that should equal 6 times 7, which is 42. I'm going to add over 20. So -8y is now going to equal 62. Divide by -8. It's going to come out to -7.75. 3C is like 3B. You just have to use the distributive property twice.